on. I got 4 right here. I'm gonna do 4 on each wheel. 4 there, do 4 in the middle, 4 right here. Gotta put all these wires up and everything. And do that, make it look good.
So we just got done putting all lights on. We put 4 on this side, 4 on that other side, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. We decided to put 2 on each side, so 2 here and 2 over there. We still got 4 more lights left, and we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put them, so stay tuned for that. Done with the car, all lights are set up, everything's done, all 4 lights are put on around the whole car, and turn it on. So next day we finished the light, all 4 wheels. Right now Martin is working on the headlights. He's polishing them because they look pretty old. So we're gonna make them look brand new, and then we'll see how they end up looking like. Alright, so Martin just finished the headlights. That's how they ended up looking. They look brand new. Now next step is clean it up. As you can see, pretty dirty. Dirty right here. So let's make it look brand new and put it up. It seems like I got 2 helpers that are gonna come help me clean this car. So we got Ethan over there, we got Eric, and they're gonna help me clean this. Yeah. So let's see how my 2 helpers leave the car.